Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can change the language at the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So let me tell you at the beginning, whatever language you have on the phone, the symbols I will show you now and also the positions are always the same. Okay, let us start. So first of all, we need the settings here, that is that symbol. Then we need this point here, also a symbol like the settings, named general as usual in English. So, and then we need here this point, language and region. And then we need the first point, iPhone language. And then you can choose the language you want to have. Maybe let us choose then English again. So then you can choose also the dialect of your language, maybe from South Africa, and then go change to English South Africa, and then the language will change into the language you have chosen. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.